Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see Cash App card details. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we are just going through the sports Cash App sports article, and from here we will learn how to view and copy the card details. And basically, it is as easy as it shows. All you need to do is just to follow these three steps. And basically, the first one would be just like to go to the card tab. And basically, on your home screen, you will find this button menu. And from this menu, you will find these card icon. By clicking on this card icon, it will take you to the card page. And from there, you will find the card page to be shown as follow. So either you can toggle and start swiping your card, and basically you will be able to start seeing your card information. So once you are swiping, you will need to confirm your cash pin, and basically you will be able to start seeing the information or the details of your credit card. Otherwise, you can simply just click on credit copy number, or as it's showing here, you can select the I in the right corner of your Cash App card, and you will be able to access to your card detail. And basically, by that, you will be able to see and view all your details, and you can even copy the number of card if you want. To use it somewhere or for some purchase or subscription, etc. And you can start having it. And of course, you will have also uh, some offers that you will find. You can have your spendings or your insights for your card. You can also lock your card again if you don't want to have some automatic spending or some automatic billing, etc. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.